Honorable President of India, I am Kumar Ashirwad from Bihar. I have been allotted the Maharashtra cadre. I am honored to have this opportunity to share the journey of 2 years of our training, and I would also like to put forth an observation which I feel could be of some value in the larger scheme of things. Our training in Labasna, Mussoorie was primarily focused on developing officer-like qualities. We learnt what it truly means to be an IS officer and the enormous expectations that our country has from us. Our training covered lessons in law, public policy, economics, and various development approaches. The lessons covered both theoretical and practical aspects of a wide range of topics. Our district training, with its independent charges, gave us a true picture of India. We learned through experience the intricacies of administration, the complexities of society, and their interplay. I think it is safe to say that all of us learnt and evolved more in that 1 year of district training than we have in the past so many years. I would now like to make an observation, or rather an idea, that I have arrived at through my own experiences in the district and through discussions with my batchmates. Across the center and states, we have thousands of schemes with different parameters of identifying beneficiaries for different schemes. We can have a single portal where the citizen simply enters his details such as age, income, category, and other socio-economic indicators, and the portal automatically tells him the various center and state schemes for which he is eligible as a beneficiary, along with the various procedures he needs to follow and the requisite documents he needs to submit to avail the benefits of any scheme. The use of regional language in the portal, along with the spread of digital literacy via Digital India, will enhance the potency of the portal in the future. I would like to thank the Honorable President of India for giving me such a patient hearing. Thank you, sir.
It is my great privilege to be addressing the Honorable President of India in this august gathering. Every experience in our life is being orchestrated to teach us something we need to know to move forward. On May 10th, 2016, we entered this prestigious government service with 176 hearts elated with joy. It was time for us to shine and make a mark in the sands of time. As our alluring training started, we made innumerable friends, had once-in-a-lifetime experience in foundation course, Bharat Darshan, and Phase 1 in Labasna. It was like yesterday. We were catching our breath during treks and bonding over tea in pleasant Mussoorie weather. 10 months of training, and now we were ready for the field. With excitement in our hearts and caution in our minds, we landed in our respective cadres. The wise words of seniors resounding in our ears as we were trained in state ATIs. The world was getting real. The training imparted seemed more relevant, and responsibilities more concrete. Senior officers looking at us as young colleagues with bright, innovative ideas. We were a little scared and confused. How to learn about a huge district with multiple departments? Able district magistrates as mentors were a guiding light. We learned the spirit of all India service. Doesn't matter whether you come from north or south, working in east or west of this diverse country, India, the core values of people remain the same. They welcome and respect you with similar enthusiasm. They love and appreciate your good work, and their grievances are alike. The language of smile and compassion broke the communication barriers. We learned what work is worship means. No person or post is higher or lower. A good working professional, may it be a case worker or regional commissioner, has some knowledge to impart, some experience to share with lesson-loaded anecdotes. It broadens our perspective multifold. Observing the working style of officers in our formative years of service life is extremely enriching. Interacted with gamut of people on a daily basis exposed us to their plight. Entrusting us with independent charges gave us confidence to tackle tough situations.